right, good morning.
Morning. We're in Vegas.
Las Vegas.
We're at the Cosmopolitan. Look at our view.
Oh, it's amazing.
Look at this. Usually we do this on a cruise ship. Look at our view. But then this is better. Jim.
We made it. We got checked in.
Just gotta go.
We're heading up.
Gotta go to our room.
Yeah.
Do you need that card? You do.
I'll take the bags in. You show your people.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh.
And, oh, there's a naked lady on your wall. Okay. Where?
Yeah. Oh, look at her.
Okay, let's check out.
Right.
Let's get all the lights on.
Okay.
Turning on all the lights. Oh, look at. Jim, it's the tub we sat in last time.
You got any selfie stuff?
Yes.
Perfect.
So me and Jim were here once and we sat in it overlooking the view.
We're like, what do we do now?
What do we do now? Okay, so this is a studio terrace. So you can watch from the bedroom. Okay. Okay.
Ready? I'm gonna check the bed.
Open. Wait, no, we gotta go outside
We gotta
first.
go outside. No fountain.
No fountain view.
Airport. Watch the planes come and go.
We got the airport view. All right.
Not bad at all.
You like it?
I like it. It's not bad. It's pretty good.
Too. New kids on the block.
Yeah.
New kids on the block.
We're on the 65th floor.
On the 65th floor. Very nice. Okay, you can sit out here and sweat. We will check the bed. Let's check the bed. At least it's not like that big room we had. It looks nice and clean.
Yeah. Ready?
No,
Oh, it's a little tough.
okay, what else do you got in here? Our safe. This is where we're gonna put the jackpots in.
Hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Yep.
Oh, it connects, so that way if you do happen to lock somebody in there, they can still.
I like this little bench. They changing.
Oh, that's awesome.
Little changing bench.
That is awesome.
Hi everybody. My pants keep falling down.
You made it.
Okay.
Got that flight in. Huh?
That flight. Oh my gosh. Here's the mini bar. Extremely expensive.
Yeah.
And there should be a mini bar. Yeah. See, I have a total thing. Like, I love mini bars. Oh, wow. Bonus.
Bonus. Oh.
Is it on? Yeah. So there's an empty fridge.
Hey.
So what I was thinking about was I was gonna just DoorDash some beverages and stuff so we didn't have to walk all over and get it. What do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Me too. It's good. This is home for four nights home. And then we got to go downstairs and gamble. Oh, and the toilet is in here. Oh, there's a face in there. That's creepy.
Face in the toilet?
Yeah, there's a face in the toilet.
Uh-oh.
Mm-hmm. I feel like I need to shower already.
Oh.
Do like that shower though. I'm kind of glad. I think last time we stayed here, like 5 or 6 years ago, the shower didn't have a cover on it. And you could look inside.
Yeah.
So I think they changed that since we've been here. And we're gonna go get some drinks. We're gonna start tomorrow video. Tonight's we're just gonna get some food and go.
We just got here.
Just got here. Oh, okay. And here's the view at night. But we're gonna do a final review. We're sitting on this bed.
Good morning.
Okay, so we're leaving Cosmopolitan today, and just a quick. It was a good stay. We're in a here we gotta go this way for lighting.
Yeah, for lighting.
So the room.
So the room was good.
I love the room. There's the hotel was thing. We did pretty okay gambling wise and food wise. The stay was nice and comfortable. It was comped.
Yeah.
I'd stay here again if they gave it to me for just the resort fees. So
It'd be nice if they just got rid of the resort fees.
we had one problem. Our housekeeper threw away my snack bag. Our snack bag. We had like popcorn. I had half a chocolate bar. But it was a $10 chocolate bar I got at the Miracle Mile.
What was it, like Brazilian?
It was from Brazil. It was a Twix bar, but it was $10. And I ate one of the sticks, but there was another one in there. And there was Hawaiian.
And it was on the table. So
But anyways, I called the front desk, and they took care of it for me. They were very gracious.
They gave us a little food credit.
Food credit, so I can replace my snacks.
Yeah.
But that was the only problem. Everything was clean. Everything was taken care of well. Food was good.
Yep.
And everything was good. Now we're gonna move downtown. I'm gonna miss our balcony though. Look how
Last night was very.
Oh yeah, and last night was very loud. I have some footage of me dancing at like 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning it quit. I think they closed exactly at 2 in the morning. It was very loud. I'll show footage of that, and it was okay. We fell asleep. It was a little late, but it's fine. It's Vegas. This balcony though, look how huge it is. This is gorgeous. We did find an old condom wrapper in the couch. Well, Jim did. And it was kind of gross, but it is what it is. But we're heading out to Fremont, downtown, Old Vegas.
And I definitely did spend a lot of time out here for what time we were here. Because this view is amazing.
In the morning, it's way too hot with this beating down sun. But after the sun moves,
yeah, all this cools off. You can see
in the afternoon, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah. So look, you can see the mountains over there.
All the way around.
You can see all the way around. Yeah, duh. But yeah, I think I've shown this view day and night. It's definitely worth it. So come down. Oh yeah, I got videos of it. It's the pool. It's the Marquee Day and Night Club.
Yeah.
They do it during the daytime too.
Yeah. They do like maybe an hour here and there.
Ooh. So definitely, we're going downtown. It's dark. Ooh, God, there it is. So we're gonna go downtown, and we're going to the Fremont, on Fremont Street. So come along, let's go. Wait.